Hey guys, Dan with Kane Custom Garage, and today I got a video I wanted to show you of me making a custom exhaust for the Mcculloch Ferrari chainsaw. I thought it was pretty cool, make a little dual exhaust coming out the sides, and I used some pieces of those old chainsaw handlebars because they're chrome plated and they were the right size, and so we cut those up and make some custom exhaust for it. And so yeah, that's cool. And I also wanted to thank all my subscribers. I just hit 500 subscribers. Woohoo! So yeah, keep them coming. I'll try to keep the videos coming. And if you guys find this entertaining, be sure and subscribe. Okay, here it is. Okay guys, here's the Ferrari saw. I just need to finish up a few things. I need to go through the carburetor and get that all back on there. And then I need to make my custom exhaust here. And so see, what I wanted to do was have these two pieces sort of sticking out like... Here, let me get a better angle here. I want those two chrome pipes to stick out. Not that far, but both of them sticking out like that. And in order to do that, so see these Mcculloch mufflers, they just exit out the top up here with a screen. It just blows up into this vent basically. But what I wanted to do is lay them pipes in there and have them stick out here. And you can sort of see, whoops, you can sort of see where I've marked it. I'm gonna chop all that out of there and lay them pipes in there and weld it all up. So let me get that muffler off and we'll start into chopping on it. Okay guys, so here's that muffler. Sort of a cool little muffler. They're sort of like a pancake little tuned muffler. And so all we're gonna do is just take and chop through here and then notch it here and here so those pipes can lay in there. So let me cut that out. And then we'll see how they fit. Here we go. First thing I'm going to do is cut these little ears off. So we don't need those anymore. Now we can chop this. Ooh, smoking. Pull this piece off. Nice. Okay, then I think I'm gonna get my die grinder and grind those down a little bit. Hold on. Okay, die grinder time. Okay, let's see if they fit in there. That one opened up a little more. See that? So now we can lay those pipes in there. Like that. Let's see, what else do I gotta do? So yeah, let me do a little fitting on that. We'll see what it looks like. Okay guys, I got them all fitted. I got my pipes fitted. See how I notched that out? Let me see if I can see this. Yeah. See how I notched that out, and then hopefully, so these are just gonna sort of fit in there like this. Come on, get in there. Something like that. See that? So let me get those tacked in there. Get me some bare metal for my ground. And then, yeah, let's get these tacked in there. And then we'll see what it looks like. This one's gonna go like this. That looks pretty cool. Something like that. And then this one. Clean the burrs out of this thing. This one will go like this. And then we'll trim them to length. This is something like this. I think it looks good. Okay. Now, can you guys still see okay? Now let's put down a rag so I don't scratch the paint. Let's bolt this bad boy on there, see what it looks like. Oh, now I lost the bolts. Okay. Now remember, I'm going to trim those, so don't you worry about it now. Oh, that's going to be so cool. Looks like they cleared pretty good. Nice. What do you guys think of that? Let's see. Maybe I can angle them down just a little bit. That looks pretty cool. Nice. And then we'll trim them flush. Can you guys see that? Oh, that's custom. Here, let me get it over closer. See? So we'll trim those straight off flush. Maybe like out here or something. And that'll look custom. Nice. Okay guys, so here's what I came up with. There she is. Got the pipes on there. See, they're all nestled in there, and all I gotta do is weld it all up around there. Yeah, and I put it on there. It looks cool, so I'll show you when I get it all welded up and cleaned up. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, here it is, guys. Look at that bad boy. Custom mufflerage. That's custom. Nice. Look at that. Brum, brum, brum. Oh, yeah, that's going to look cool on there. So, yeah, I'm just going to tape off. I'm going to tape off the chrome pipes and then paint the rest of it black. And then we'll put it on. Okay, there it is, guys. Check that out. That's just what she needed. Doesn't that look killer? Oh, I can't wait to hear what it sounds like. That's so cool. So yeah, all we got left to do is put the carburetor on it. And then I gotta find me some kind of cool bar and chain to put on it. So that'll be the next step, but at least now we can run it once I get that carburetor on there. But yeah, isn't that just cool? I've always wanted to do that. That's so cool. And those handlebars work pretty good because they got a nice like nickel plated chrome look to them. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, on to the next step. Okay guys, there it is. Hope you enjoyed that video. Building a custom exhaust for the Mcculloch Ferrari. So yeah, until next time, we'll catch you later.